India, all of them were part and parcel of the entire system which fought towards India's independence, including Maulana Azad. The Nightingale of India, which I referred to, was Sarojini Naidu. And these were the eminent people, besides all the others, who walked across different paths, came from different backgrounds to fight for nation's independence. At that time, before independence, you would have remembered that there was a Nobel laureate by name of Rabindranath Tagore, who had his very famous poem on Gitanjali, Where the Mind is Without Fear. And I'm reading out that poem once again today because the nation today needs freedom from oppression, freedom from destruction, freedom to maintain democracy, the democracy which our freedom fighters and our founding fathers of our nation fought for. And this is what Rabindranath Tagore said pre-independence. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. When knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert of sin, of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. Father, let my country awake. How much true these words ring even today. On a time when our nation is facing a crisis, when our nation is slipping backward to pre-independence, at a time when our nation's democracy is crying for upholding democratic values, with the kind of governance which is ruling the nation, with the kind of governance which is finishing the nation. And I think this is time for every citizen, irrespective of religion, irrespective of party, to rise up beyond your personal levels, beyond your personal prejudices, and come together along with the Indian National Congress and make sure that we retain and reclaim the freedom which our freedom fighters fought for, and on this Independence Day take the movement forward into the country which Rabindranath Tagore thought of, into the country which our freedom fighters so much wanted, which everyone still today wants to have. Thank you very much. Dr. Anil Nimbalkar, our in charge, who is also here, our Fivada Chief, and Suresh Putad, Savio D'Souza, Savio Coutinho, and each and everyone who is here. I'm not taking all the names, but I thank you for being here and standing in solidarity and support. The Indian National Congress has stood for, fought for independence of India, unlike other organizations who are now trying to put up their head, who never even hoisted a flag, who never wanted to fight for freedom of India, in fact kept away from freedom movement and fight for freedom. But it is Indian National Congress which led the way, and it's only Indian National Congress which will save the country, save democracy, and take this freedom back into the hands and homes of every person. Thank you very much.
सावधान, राष्ट्रगान शुरू करेंगे। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल गगन तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।